Good morning, student. Welcome back. Today we will read about the round farm. So the sight words are as, from, let, live, once, round, were. So let's start. They came from a round farm. That is where they live. Once the farm was square, but now it is round. As they went out one day, a big bear from the woods came in. While they were out, he made the square farm round. Once they came home to see, they were happy as can be. As long as the farm was round, they let the bear live with them. So student, you have to read this aloud and send me back, and all the students should know the sight words. Let's revise one more time. That is as, from, let, live, once, round, were. So that's all for today's class, student. Bye bye. Thank you.